I told you na that rupees 14 we have to add 16 times.
Good afternoon.
I told you na this one. And instead of doing this, you can multiply this rupees 14 by 16. But as this was two-digit number multiplication we have not learned. That's why I told you to add them. Yes, though. Okay. So have you done that one? Have you done or not? Achha, okay, now let me, Orindam, yes. Now let me do this one. A boy has 8 50 paise coins. Achha, before writing, try to understand. Huh? Ayman, a boy has 8 50 paise coins. How many 50 paise coins are there? 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This one 50 paise coins. This one 50 paise coins. This one also. Yes or no? Jennifer, Orindam, Ayman, Spondon. Yes, Tom. So if we add them, the question is given what is the total value of these coins. We will have to find the total value. Total means we will have to add them. Yes, Tom. Yes or no? Rahat, understood? Just total means we have to add, but 8 times we have to add. Instead of doing this, we can just 50 paise into 8. Instead of adding 8 times, we can multiply by 8. Na? It will be more easy. Rahat, as this one is single digit number, we can easily multiply by it. Ha, yes. Ultimately, look, 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise. If we add all of them, ultimately it will be 400 paise. Na? Now 400 paise means how much rupee we will have to find. Shadik Farhan Diyamanna understood? Farhan Akhtar? Look, if we take 50 paise coins, then it will make 1 rupee na? Another 250 paise. Again another 1 rupee. Another 2, another 2. Look, for 1 rupee it will make na? Ultimately total 4 rupee na? Yes. Diya? 4 rupees. Good, Rahat. Very good. So that means only here what to do? Write 50 paise. Instead of adding 8 times, we will multiply it by 8. It doesn't matter while you are doing multiplication or addition. Ultimately, the answer must be correct. 5 8s are 40, 400 paise. Now write is equal to, achha, only in this place you will have to fill. Huh? There is no space. That's why I am writing over there. 4 rupees. Note down this. Shadik Farhan, Jennifer, Ritosri, Ankush. Spondon, Rabiul Islam, Jubair Khan, Samraj Vaisi. Understood? Achha, okay, good. Alia, Yashmin, Alia, sit properly. I cannot see you. Fatia and Alia. Farhan Akhtar, Jennifer, Ritosri, Ankush. Better understood though? Good. Completed? Yes. Acha. Orindam, Atrei, Orkopriya completed? Orkopriya not understood? Orkopriya, understood or not? No, acha, look at this, Orkopriya. Basically, how many 50 paise coins are there? 8 to. Look at this. Yes? Total amount we have to find. So, if we add these two 50 paise coins, 250 paise means what will be the value? 1 rupee, na? Yes or no? Look, another 250 paise means another 1 rupee. Yes or no? This 250 paise means another 1 rupee. Yes. And this last 250 paise means another 1 rupee. So ultimately, if we add them, we will get 4 rupees. Na? But as we are adding 8 times 50 paise. Na? So 8 times means, I told you na, by table concept, 8 times means we can multiply by 8. Orkopriya, yes or no? That's why we are just directly multiplying. Understood too? Okay. Atreyi, Orindam, where are you? Orindam and Atreyi, where are you? Now do this one. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, scissors, and plates. Understood? Orkopriya, any doubt is there? Acha, you have not completed. I'll write it again. Just wait. This type of objects, from this type of objects, we have to just move away or let up. Do not play with matches, lighters. Completed now? Orkopriya? Acha, okay. You want to say something? Acha, okay, I'm coming. Wait for a minute. 40 for 40 rupees and notebook for 50 rupees. Okay. Rina bought a book for 40 rupees, notebook for 50 rupees. Find the total money she spent. That means just normal, we have to add. Orkopriya, Iman, what to do? Add to. Just go. Right? Now look at this. So fast traffic lights were installed in front of the British House of Parliament. First, listen to me, Baba. What will be the answer? 90 rupees. So complete this. First. Now, British Parliament. Ayman Karan completed. British Parliament houses সামনে fast traffic lights were installed for when year? The year of 1868. Engineer John Picknight. Farhan Akhtar, Jinia, Jennifer, done. Designed the traffic light. Acha, okay. Now the next one. The next one, let me read. A girl purchased a perfume which costs rupees 80. A girl purchased a perfume which cost rupees 80. She paid rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. Look, suppose you went to a shop and you are buying a perfume, okay? The perfume cost rupees 80, but you don't have that fare, exact fare rupees 80. So you are giving 100 rupee note. Okay. So definitely the shopkeeper will return you some amount. Yes or no, Jennifer? Ritosri, yes, to okay. So that means how much amount he will return? What to do? 100 rupees minus 80 rupees, yes or no? That extra amount he will return. Yes, to Shamraj, Spondon, Rabiul, Afroz Ali, Ifra, understood? Okay, now note down the answer. Just do the subtraction. Acha, here you have put that addition sign though, where you have written 40 plus 50 na. Put that addition sign, huh? Yes. Now what will be the answer? 20 rupees. Afroz Ali, are you doing? Acha, Zubair. Zubair, better rename yourself. It is probably your mother's name is written, okay? Zubair, rename, you cannot rename yourself. Jishan Ali Jamadar, Orindam Roy, Alia Yasmin, Shaugato Manna. Shaugato understood? Acha, okay. Chalo, now look at this one. Done to these questions. Okay. I come to this point. Okay, I will come to this. Acha, now let me explain one thing. All of you take out your copy first. Now, Spondon, now copy, huh? First, you have to read out from beginning to last. मॉम को बोल दो कि अभी कॉपी निकालना है. और सिलेबस also completed. So very minutely read out this chapter. Taken out? Okay. Now let me do this. Acha, one thing let me explain. Suppose I am writing. No need to write this. हाँ ये लिखो मत. सिर्फ try to understand. Okay. समझो. Look, suppose it is given rupees 3.41. That means 3 rupees 41 paise. Acha, if we break it, how much rupees are there? And how much paise is there? Okay. How much rupee and how much paise say? Spondon or Ankush? Rupees means how much? This 3 na? This left side portion 3 rupees. And how many paise? 41 na? Yes or no? Yes to? Acha, basically. Okay. Acha, now look at this. Suppose we are writing 31 rupees 12 paise. How much rupee and how much paise? 31 rupees and 12 paise. Yes, to. This is breaking. We are breaking it into two parts. Now look at this. Now Ritosri, acha Jennifer, where are you? So now there, if this form is given, breaking form, and we will have to combine them, you can do it. Suppose 4 rupees and 17 paise. So can we combine this? Here breaking form is given, rupees dash. Here it will be the decimal point. Before decimal point we have to put, and after decimal point there will be always 2 place after decimal point. 2, 7 will be in the last place, 1 will be in the first place. Got it? And this 4 rupees will be before decimal. Understood? How to combine them? Dia, Shadik Fadam, Faranakta, Rahat, Fatia, Atrei. Atrei, I'll unmute you. Atrei, Atrei, this one understood? Okay. Fatia, Jennifer, Atrei, I'm coming. Wait. Then and then you will go to your parents, in front of your parents, and inform to them. All the students understood Rahat? Okay. No need to fear, without any fear and without. Okay, beta. So write some extra sum. Yes, Atrei said. Combine them. Right. First one is given 13 rupees. Ignore it. Just you have to and
বাদ দিয়ে যাচ্ছ সেটাকে আমরা
25 paise.
এদিকে কিভাবে চলবো না if we have to maintain all kinds of safety rules then
So what will be the combined form? Is equal to rupees dash. What will be the answer? 13 point. Got it? Now the next one, second one.
Number one rule. Tell me the number one rule.
7 rupees 16 paise.
Pavement. This is
Say, Jinia, what will be the answer?
Okay,
Yes, this one, yes or no?
you have to practice your reading at your home. Okay.
Acha, Zubair.
Tomorrow I will give you something questions from this chapter. Acha. Then after Samina.
Orindam completed. Almashuddin. Jishan Ali Jamadar. Now the third one.
Yes. So now you have to read out from here. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. 57 page. Follow.
Wait. So what will be the combined form? Acha, here, suppose we are adding plus sign, huh? Look, 61 rupees plus 17 paise. Ultimately same thing, huh? Ankush, Rahat, Ifra, ultimately same thing. If we are adding, if we are putting and or if we are putting this addition symbol, same thing will be there, huh? Complete this one. I am waiting for 1 minute. Complete this first. If you are completed, good. Okay, for the other student also, I am waiting for 1 minute. Zubair, done. This extra shams completed though. Number 4, 73 rupees and 21 paise. But here look, 6 rupees 9 paise. 9 is single digit number, na? So we'll have to make it 2 digit because after decimal after this point, 2 places we have to put the paise. Okay, look, 0 9 we are putting. Suppose you are putting 6.9, only 9, it will be wrong, huh? Because then it will be considered as 6.90. That means 6 rupees and 90 paise. Understood? It will be wrong totally. So write up to this, note down up to this. Note down up to this. Completed all of you? Spandon, Farhan Akhtar, Ritu Sri, Afroz Ali, Fatia Sultana, Atrei, done. Okay, now the next one, the 6th one.
Switches, electric switches. Then do not play or
Do this to yourself.
stove. Okay, true fact portion. You also read the true fact portion. Also read out. True fact দেখো true fact portionটা করো যেটা করলাম the first traffic light. একটা বক্সের মধ্যে যেটা দেওয়া আছে yes.
Say. Try this. Try to do it yourself. Diya, what will be for this one? 24 rupees though. Say Diya.
Fast traffic lights were installed.
Acha, do it yourself, then I'll check the copy.
প্রথমে বসানো
I am giving you
হয়
1 minute
front
only.
of the British House of Parliament. Which year? 1868. Okay. By Rizal.
1 minute over. Let me. Shadik Farhan. 20 rupees. Acha, rupees it will be, huh? Acha, 24 rupees is there. So here it will be 24. So then point. Then how many paise? 63. Yes or no? Shadik, acha. Now for this one, 9 rupees. How many paise? 4. So, but it is a single digit number. That's why 4 will be placed later. Before 4, we should put what? 0. Yes, to. Shadik, Shamraj, Diya, okay. Zubair, Jinia, Ankush, Ayman Karan, Jishan Ali Jamadar, Rabiul Islam, Orindam and Spondon. Shougato, Orkopriya, Ayman Karan. Shougato, keep your camera on. Acha, now the name I'll call, they will have to show me their copy, huh?
Mute yourself.